It's Tubi Toys.
Who wants meat? It's a meat party right now, and I am wanting some meat. Who wants to eat some meat with me? You know I do. I would love to have some meat of the party. I'm not really feeling too good. My nose hurts. I'm gonna lay down. What does your nose hurting have to do with eating my delicious meat? It's a meat party here. We gotta eat some meat. Ever since I went out with Aqualad and Kid Flash, I don't feel good. My nose hurts. Just don't feel right. I don't like it when my parts of my face don't feel right either. Oh, whatever she said. Just give me my meat, Cyborg. I'm going upstairs. He is missing out. Open wide, girls. I'm feeling euphoric. I got plenty of meat. I got meat for days. Who wants some meat? Hey, what happened to the ladies? I gave them some steak, and they passed out. Think they got the meat sweats. Oh no, the meat sweats? And I was coming here to bring everybody some delicious veggie pizza. How are we gonna revive them now? I gotta do something. I'll be right back. The meat sweats is like really bad. Come here, Silky. What's he talking about the meat sweats being bad? I love me some meat. Delicious. Glorious meat. Oh no! All three of them got the meat sweats. I gotta find Robin. Robin. What is it, Beast Boy? What's wrong with you? You had the meat too? No. I went to bed because I don't like the way my nose looks. My nose is disappearing. I don't know why. Your nose is disappearing? I don't understand this. Did you eat the meat or not? No, I didn't. What happened? They all get the meat sweats again? Yeah, they did. They were all passed out downstairs. Oh my gosh. I can't help them this time. I don't feel good. My nose is like totally gone. Maybe Kid Flash and Aqualad can help us. Help us with what? Get your nose back so you could help me revive our friends. I don't want them to start morphing into other things like last time. Yeah, you're right. Let me see if they'll help me. You stay here. I'm gonna go get them. Alright. I'm gonna lay down. This is terrible. How come I'm the only one that doesn't eat meat in this house? Just keeps getting me into trouble. Oh no, Silky, you too? Ooh. This is crazy. Man, what happened over here? I don't want to take responsibility for this. Okay, guys, I was just gonna go look for you. Something's wrong with Robin. He keeps complaining about his face. Where did you guys go today? Did you eat the meat from Cyborg's barbecue? No, we didn't. Tell Robin whenever he feels better to give us a call. No, you need to come and turn around and help me. I can't help the other Teen Titans without him. Ugh! What happened to your face? You guys look disgusting. Did you guys eat the meat? It looks like you got poisoned. We definitely got the meat sweats, but not from Cyborg's barbecue. Where did you guys go? To a churrascaria. A churrasca what? What's wrong with you guys? Meat is so bad for you. You gotta eat delicious vegetables. Balance your diet. Can't eat too much meat. Look what happened to your face. It's not that bad. What's wrong with Robin? Hey guys, it's getting worse. Why didn't you tell me that you ate the meat? Because I didn't. We went to a churrascaria earlier. This is so bad. I need help switching your faces back to normal so we can get our friends better. Yeah, I don't think we have much time. I'm like totally morphing into a mixture of all the meat that I ate, Kid Flash, and Aqualad. Yeah, I see that. We need some help. Sorry, dude. Oh, I'm sounding really funny too. What's going on? This is not gonna work out. I need to go see how our friends are doing. While I'm doing that, can you guys help switch their faces back so I can help our friends? Awesome. Alright, I'm gonna leave it up to you. When I come back, I hope to see all their faces back to normal, okay? Awesome. Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubi Toys, and today we have something really interesting going on with the Teen Titans and Aqualad and Kid Flash. Seems that everybody just had too much meat today. Cyborg had a meat party, and then the other guys went out to the churrascaria. Are they crazy? Too much meat is not good for you according to Beast Boy, but we're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix their faces, and then we're gonna fix everything all together. You ready? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Tubi Toys. First we have Aqualad. His eyes look crazy. He has no mouth. What is going on? We need to find his eyes. We have a pile of eyes here, but I think the first thing we need to do is take a look at all of the eyes that we have. It looks like we have Robin's eyes. We have a mouth right here that looks like it's Robin's. We have another set of Robin's eyes. These actually look like Kid Flash's. This looks like an Aqualad mouth. Let's put that on him. And maybe he could start talking and tell us what's going on. Much better. Now I can speak. Yes, we went to the Churrascaria. I got a lot of meat. I didn't put the flag down. We just kept eating meat. It was delicious. I got all this cool stuff. But now my eyes and my mouth, they're not my own. Help us. Alright, let's take off these eyes right here. And let's leave him with no eyes for now. Okay, now it looks like we have both of Kid Flash's eyes. Let's put that in the pile. And let's take a look at Robin. Poor Robin couldn't even have any meat at the meat party because he was all meated out from the Churrascaria. Let's see what we got here. We have, it looks like Kid Flash's eyes. And it looks like we have, oh, it looks like an Aqualad eye. Let's take that eye off. Let's take out this mouth and this eye over here. Doesn't he look funny without anything on his face? He doesn't look too bad. That's right, I don't look bad because I'm amazing. You are, Robin. You really, really are. Let's put you in the center like that. And let's take this closed eye and put it on Aqualad. Got an eye right there. Looking good. Looking good. Let's put these in the pile now. And we'll get Robin all done up after we fix Kid Flash. Kid Flash looks like he got into a big fight. One eye is closed, one eye is open. He's got a little smile on his face. I don't think it's right at all. Let's take out these eyes. These eyes look like they belong to Aqualad. They do. And I want my eyes back in a flash. Alright, relax there. The only Flash that I know is your uncle. Let's take this closed eye that belongs to Aqualad and let's put his eye back in place. And now he is complete. But I don't think he wants to look like this. I think he actually wants to look like he's awake. Let's see if we can find his eyes that are open. We have a whole pile of eyes here. Can we find his eyes? I think I found one eye. I found both of his eyes. Let's take them off. And replace them with these eyes that are open. And he's looking way too happy for my taste. I think he'd be really super angry after he gets his face back together for doing such a silly thing as eating at a Churrascaria and not stopping. You gotta put the flag down and have some vegetables. Let's see if we can find a different mouth. There we go. This is perfect. Now this is looking like Aqualad. I feel more like myself now. Thank you. Thank you so much, Tubi Toys. Really appreciate it, guys. Awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright, sweet. The only other two people who need help is Robin and Kid Flash. Look at all of these parts that we have for a face. And the first eye that I see is Kid Flash's eye. Let's find the other one that looks just like it. These eyes are awesome. Looking good, looking good. Now let's get a mouth for this dude. I think he's just happy to be here. So let's put a really happy mouth on him. Looking good, Kid Flash. Yeah, I know it. But guess what? I'm not happy. I want to change this look because I'm so angry. Alright, let's change the look. Let's change out the mouth and find an angry mouth for Kid Flash. Let's look for some angry eyes. That's one. And now to complete the angry look, here we have an angry Kid Flash. Should have put that flag down at the Churrascaria. Should have. You know what they say, never go to a Churrascaria hungry. You know what happens? You keep eating the meat. Now we need to help Robin. Robin is the easiest one of the group because he's just got a really good face. Even without all of these body parts that are missing, we can totally go on without him. No. We need to put my eyes and my mouth back on so I can help my friends, alright? Alright, Robin, let's do it. So let's put on these cool eyes. Feeling good already. Feel great, but this is not how I feel. I want to change my eyes and my mouth. This doesn't belong to me right now. I'm feeling happier now that I can help my friends. I think we need to change my eyes and my mouth. You got it, Robin. Let's do it. Let's change out these eyes and let's put these eyes in. You look super angry here, but you know what? Let's soften you up with a nice smile. Oh, I like that. Ah, feeling good. Now I can go help my friends. Thanks. Bye, Aqualad. Bye, Kid Flash. Till next time. There's not gonna be a next time. We are totally done. Never going to a Churrascaria with him again. Who cares? Now I can help my friends. Let me go get Beast Boy. I'm back. I'm back and better than ever. Beast Boy, where are you, kid? Wait, where'd he go? What happened to him? What's that noise? It's me. I had the meat too. I couldn't help myself. But Beast Boy, you don't like meat. You're a vegetarian. I know, I just couldn't help myself. It just looks so good. But come on, you gotta help me. Since you're the only one that's in the normal state, everybody's shifting to different things. It's terrible over here. Help! Ah! 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 Alright, you can just stop yelling now. I'll help you. I'm gonna be right there. What happened, everybody? No one's the same anymore. What do I do? It's crazy. I turned into this huge squeaky toy. Cyborg turned into the Penguin. The Penguin? It's my other eye now. That's right, the Penguin. Raven turned into this weird magnetic posable version of herself. I am loving my new posable self. I just feel so free. Sounds about right. Starfire turned into like a really cute, adorable version of herself. Okay, doesn't sound too bad. And Silky is the worst one of all. It's a squishy cat now. What? Well, Starfire will be happy. Maybe we could just keep it a squishy cat because Silky is disgusting. Oh, come on. We gotta switch everybody back and me too. Alright, I'm gonna go in the kitchen and see what we have and I'll be right back, alright? Make sure nothing else happens to them or they don't eat any more meat. Oh, you are just the cutest. Oh, it's the cutest thing. I am loving my new posable self. Oh my gosh, I'll be right back. I better move fast. It's crazy. I hope he hurries up. This is nuts. And what is this? I got everything that I could find in the fridge that looked healthy. I got a carrot, of course. Delicious vegetable. But there's pickles on there. Pickles were once a cucumber. Is that pizza under there? Yeah, for tomato. They're gonna eat this and they're gonna turn back to normal. Let's do this. Alright, let me go first. I'll eat this delicious lettuce. Oh, it's working, it's working. Feel great. Awesome. Now let's feed it to everybody else. I don't want it, don't give it to me. You need it, or you're gonna be the Penguin forever. Oh, get that out of here. I need some meat quick. No, you can't have any meat. Just let that digest for a little bit in your body. All right. I do not want a carrot. Don't give me any carrots, please. I'm enjoying my more flexible self. I'll take a pickle, though. Let's see if that works. Bummer. It did. You looked cooler as a more posable figure. I know. I did. I don't want to change. I like how tiny and cute I am. I'm the same size as my little Silky. Meow, 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 meow. You're just so cute, I could eat you! Meow, 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 meow. Oh no, we gotta change her back now. Oh, I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. That worked faster than lightning. Now change back Silky, quick. That's right, Silky. Well, that was great. Thanks so much, Titans, for sitting tight, and thanks to all of you for helping us switch everybody back. Yeah, that was really cool, you guys. And don't forget, every time you eat too much meat, you can get the meat sweats. Alright, well, I didn't think that's the kind of message that we want here, but have a great day. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Tubi Toys, and have a wonderful day. Ring that notification bell every time they post a new video or a giveaway. You'll be the first one to get notified. Bye, everybody. Goodbye. Have the best day ever. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Let's eat some meat.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Yeah, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah.